In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get a text input field for your WordPress site. Whether you're building a contact form, a feedback section, or any other interactive element, adding a text input field is a simple yet powerful tool to enhance user interaction. Let's dive into the process, making it straightforward and easy to replicate on your own WordPress site. First, we need to head over to wordpress.com. Open your web browser and type in that address, ensuring you're on the official site. Once there, locate the login button at the top right corner. Click on it to begin the login process. This is crucial as accessing your account will allow you to make the necessary changes to your website. Next, you'll want to click on Continue with Google. This option allows for a seamless login process, especially if you have your WordPress account connected to your Google credentials. If that's not the case, you can log in with your usual method, but today, let's focus on the Google login for simplicity. After you've clicked this, you'll be prompted to choose your Google account. Select the one that's linked to your WordPress site. This step ensures you gain access to the correct admin dashboard associated with your website. If you don't see your account listed, you can add it by clicking the option to use another account and logging in as you normally would. Now that you're logged in, you should be in your WordPress dashboard. On the right panel, you'll notice a section labeled Quick Links. Under this section, click on Edit Site. This link takes you to your website's editing environment, where you can make the necessary modifications to your layout and content. You're now in the editing mode of your WordPress site. Move your cursor to the top left part of the screen where you'll find an Add button. Click on this button to begin adding a new block to your page. Blocks are the building units in WordPress, allowing you to add different elements like text, images, or input fields. In the search bar that appears, type in Text Input Field. WordPress offers a vast array of blocks, so using the search functionality helps narrow down your options quickly. Once you see the Text Input Field option appear, click on it. This action adds the Text Input Field block to your page, allowing visitors to interact with it. With these steps, you've successfully added a text input field to your WordPress site. It's a simple yet highly effective way to collect information, enabling a direct link with your audience. Remember, customizing this field to suit your needs is key, so take time to explore the settings and design options available in WordPress. That's all there is to it, straightforward and efficient. Thanks for watching, and happy creating.